want to share with you guys why it is dangerous. It's like this is crazy. Like you build something from scratch and suddenly poof, it goes away. BitBoy Crypto has been the face of, BitBoy channel, and now he's gone. Is this for real? Is he going to prison? Well, I don't know about that. But today, I want us to talk about what we might expect, in the crypto space as usual. I love to give you guys juicy stuff going on in the market. And the issue with BitBoy is something I just want to talk about with regard to most of you who, like you believe so much in um influencers, right? Because BitBoy is one of the top influencers out there in this space. Well, before I started my channel, I have stumbled on his platform. I'm not even a subscriber to his platform, but I don't actually really watch BitBoy show because BitBoy show is not what I want from the space. I don't get it there. Of course, whenever I see like this collaboration with other players in the industry, of course I would want to watch such like content. But the reason why I'm stressing on this is because BitBoy is one of the biggest influencer in this industry, and but what he puts out there in the industry, I think, is more of pride. It's more of show off. It's more of getting approval from the community that he is the best. And I don't align myself in such content with such content. I believe that if say I want to be in this industry, I want to be consuming content that I believe is going to help me, build sustainable portfolio for myself, and help my viewers as well build sustainable portfolio for themselves. So I'm not saying that BitBoy channel like if a channel has more than 1.4 million, that means there's something about it, right? But I don't really see it's not the channel that I'm gonna go to daily to get knowledge, to get information. I think there are many channels out there that you can go as a beginner and get more information. BitBoy is just more of keeping with news, what is going on in the market, and so on and so forth. Like if they want to participate in one of their events. But now, guys, um, when you build something and at one point someone take it away from you, like this guy, I don't know if say that's the story. I've been going through social media and I saw some stories there that BitBoy was with like they had 50-50 with one guy. I don't know, is like is it TJ, and TJ is the one who like has been going behind his back, taking out him, like, and this is a pretty damn serious allegation that is out there about BitBoy and everything going on with the project. And I say, let me come here and share with you guys because I think maybe someday you will see people start saying that the Beton channel is gone and so on and so forth. Of course, that's just an aside. My channel is not going anywhere. I'm here to stay, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys that I'm gonna be going somewhere and or to give out my channel to someone else to manage it for me. Now, this is it. Like let us go through this article. It's not, I mean, the tweet from the BitBoy Crypto platform. It says you can see from the logo is it's clear that BitBoy is not here because the his icon is not here anymore. Just the logo, so he's gone for real. But is he gone completely from the crypto space? That's what I don't know, or that's what no one knows, And recently put this 1 hour ago. They say yesterday BJ Investment Holdings, the parent company of Hits Network, took decision legal action in removing Ben Armstrong from the company and specifically the BitBoy crypto brand. Yesterday, BJ Investment Holding, the parent company of Hits Network, okay, this is the same thing. It says this difficult decision is a culmination. It's a culminating of a prolonged effort to help Ben during his relapse into substance abuse, as well as reconcile the emotional, physical, and financial damage he has done to the employees of Hits Network and the BitBoy crypto community. So they're accusing him of physical, it's more of violence, that he's violent person, causing emotional and physical damage to employees, or also financial damages to employees and the BitBoy community. So this is damn serious, and it sounds like a criminal offense to me. I know most of you guys are not seeing it that way, but this sound like a criminal offense to me somehow. But I'm not gonna I'm not gonna lie to you guys that in one way or the other, this is gonna end up as a criminal offense. We're gonna see the BitBoy community, because BitBoy is not gonna let go of this. He won't let go. If you know Ben Armstrong, is someone who is proud, he doesn't give up on stuff. He's always out there to show that he is the best in the industry. The BitBoy crypto platform is the best, and now he's been kicked out from his company or from his platform. He's literally the face of this whole BitBoy stuff. So I think this is not gonna go down easily. And if you see the team coming on board saying this about him, that he has been violent with the whole community, employers, and causing a lot of people pain. So I think there might be some sort of criminality here with this whole stuff. And what you guys should learn from this is, like, those of you who are building businesses, or like those of us who are building businesses, is, if say you really want to involve people into your business, don't involve anyone in your business. I know there's this what we call trust, or like you want to start something with somebody. This whole 50-50 stuff is not, I don't buy it into that. If say you want to, like, you are the face of something, except it's someone's else business, and they bring you on board, and give you, like, let me say, a share of it, that makes sense, right? But if say it's more of you and the guy who started something, I think you should have, like, if say it's your face on board, you should have at least maybe 51% or 52% of that, like, shares of the company. Like, you cannot go about giving, like, 50 to someone and you have 50 percent. That's not something you should be doing. And like, I think BitBoy started, he didn't know that it's gonna be so big like this. Like, they have more than 1.4, like, I think more than 1.4 million. I mean, they are one of the biggest in the crypto industry, with more than 1.4 subscribers on YouTube alone, 1 million on Twitter. You can see this is your Twitter. They have 1 million on Twitter, and now he's gone. He's literally gone. Like, this is one of the greatest takeover, like, YouTube takeover, that I've seen ever. This is huge, guys. I keep wondering if this is happening in the crypto space, like, because, like, when you look at Bitcoin, and other altcoin, I want to look at BitBoy and other crypto channel as BitBoy channel being the top out there, even though I don't watch it as often as I mentioned earlier in the video. I don't watch BitBoy. I'm a subscriber to the BitBoy channel, but I don't watch it often. Like, before, when I started crypto, I found more reliable and more consistent channels that helped me to become who I am today. And I always go back there and interact with the community, learn a lot from these guys. I must say I didn't learn something from BitBoy, but BitBoy channel is not that channel that, if say you are a beginner, you should go there and get started instantly. I think BitBoy is just a channel that, if say you are already in the space, you just be part of the community, because it's a big name in the community, but it's not something like for beginners. So I think Ben is not gonna give up. Ben is gonna fight, all this what is going on. But of course, we're not gonna dwell only on this. We're gonna look at what is going on in the market as well. Let's look at um other aspect of the market, the crypto, what is going on with Bitcoin. Let's see. Bitcoin actually now is 26,636, no, 26,163 dollars. And let's go to crypto bubble. I told you guys I always look at crypto bubble before I want to do anything in the market. Like, let's look at what is going on today, like daily. We can see here that Hex is the only coin which is really up, like, from the top 100 coins. I always love to look at the top 100 only. We can see yeah, ApeCoin is up 4%, Co is up 2%, CROV is up 5%. Yeah, Hex to an extent is the only coin here which is up significantly in like among the top 100. So let's look for the past hour. Which coin has been doing well for the past hour? So let's see. Nothing really. Yeah, nothing really has been doing well for the past hour. But again, when we look at Bitcoin, since Bitcoin is not doing that much, other cryptos or other um project out there are not gonna do well as well. We can see Bitcoin is, there's some sort of movement here with the price of Bitcoin. Let me go here to see like let's look. Let me go back to the 50-minute time frame. Let's see if say we can get some data here, what is going on here. So this is a 50-minute time frame, and as it stands, I think we are not, guys, don't fall for this trap. We're gonna see, like, I want to see on the 50-minute time frame Bitcoin break this 800 day EMA. Let me bring it here. So this is it blue line here, this blue moving average here. This is the 800 day moving average. If say I see Bitcoin on the 50-minute time frame start trading above that, then I would say we are in an uptrend. And if say we look at the 1 hour time frame, we not see. Let's just go to the 4 hours time frame so we can see like a clearer picture here. So looking at the 4 hours time frame, I think where we might expect Bitcoin to go is to the last high. This is around 26,800. So that's where I want to see Bitcoin, and Bitcoin also have to break above the 50-day EMA on this time frame, on the 1 hour time frame or on the 4 hours time frame, before I will say Bitcoin is bullish. Because if say we zoom back, you can see here that Bitcoin break it started trading below the 50-day moving average. At this point in time, this was I think that was on the 16th of August. We saw this downward price movement with Bitcoin, and ever since Bitcoin has been consolidating. This is for how many days now? Let's see how many days Bitcoin has been moving like this, almost for 1 week right now. And when you look at the value profile, the volume profile, you can see here that Bitcoin is trading inside this range, this range. So we want to also see Bitcoin break out of this range. You can see this range here before I can say we are in a like we are getting back to, let me say, to the upside, right? But looking at this candle here, I think the on a long-term perspective, the greatest move that Bitcoin can make is towards 28,000, yeah, 28,700. I think that has, if say we have to see like from here, if we're gonna see a huge move with Bitcoin, then it's gonna be towards that area. I thought I'm showing my. Oh, I thought I was showing my charts. Let me bring my chart here. I've been, discussing here. I'm not showing my chart. Let me bring my chart here, guys, so you can see. Oh, I want to do this again with you guys. Of course, I have time today to do it with you guys. So let's go back. I thought I was showing this. I was sharing my chat with you guys. I'm sorry, guys. I thought I was sharing my chat with you guys. Um, okay. So this is what I was trying to say. Yeah. Now looking at the price of Bitcoin, like right now. Excuse me. I have, since I left the UK, I have flu. So now let me take out this all this here so I can give you guys back. Let me go back here from the beginning. Let's go from the 15-minute time frame. Okay. All right, guys. Looking at the 15-minute time frame right now, you might think that Bitcoin actually is let me say, you might think that Bitcoin is like in an uptrend. No, Bitcoin is not in an uptrend. Bitcoin, like you can see these candles here on the 15-minute time frame, thinking Bitcoin is in an uptrend. But this might be a trap, because look at the 800-day moving average. This is it, yeah. This I think some sort of green or purple line around this area. This is the 800-day moving average. We're gonna see Bitcoin on the 15-minute time frame go to hit that area, and that is around, let's say it can meet it around 26,300. We can see a huge pump to the upside, then see a quick retracement. So now what I'm looking at right now is I'm gonna go to the 1 hour time frame, right, to show you guys the bigger picture here. And you can see, despite what I showed you guys earlier on the 15-minute time frame, you can see here on the 1 hour time frame that Bitcoin is actually not doing anything in terms of price action, right? It's just moving in between the range, this range here. I have this volume profile here, and this volume profile gives me a range where if say Bitcoin breaks above the point of control, which is above the point of control, right? And if say we see Bitcoin break and start trading above the 50-day moving average, which is what it is right now on the 1 hour time frame. So we want to see Bitcoin make its way to the upside, and this 200-day moving average is also going to be as a support. You can see this white moving average here. This moving average, this is the 200-day moving average, and we can see that Bitcoin is below, the price is below that moving average, which means it is somehow bearish still. So you can expect, if you are trading Bitcoin right now, you can expect price to reverse when it leaked or when it kissed the 200-day moving average. So be aware of that. Now, if say we go now to the 4 hours time frame, right, we're going to see a bigger picture here with Bitcoin, the price of Bitcoin. You can see here on this time frame, we can see here the price is still below the 50-day moving average. You can see this Bollinger Band here is a 50-day moving average. You can see this line in between. This represents the 50-day moving average, but price is still below this 50-day moving average. And if say price is below that moving average, it means that we are still bearish. We are not in any good situation. We want to see price move above that moving average before we can say, okay, now we are going to start looking for a way to long Bitcoin. Now what I'm seeing is still like a downside possibility for Bitcoin. We can see price do like this. Price can do like this. You can kiss this moving average and come back to the downside and make lower lows. Yeah, so you guys should be careful. Those of you who are holding different altcoins, you want to go to TradingView, look at the 4 hours time frame, make sure that price is above the 50-day moving average, and on the 1 hour time frame, make sure that price is above the 200-day moving average. Once that when you see all this in play, then that's when you want to maybe buy your altcoins, because from that point I think we're going to see a massive pump with other altcoins. But for now, you can see, if say I showed you guys crypto bubble, you can see from these bubbles only when we go to the daily time frame, you can see here that only hex is up, right? ApeCoin is not that up. It's not up significantly. The whole market is down, and that's because nothing is really happening with Bitcoin, right? So really, I like Bitcoin is the alpha, and Bitcoin should be that coin that helps you to understand how to go about buying other coins out there. Don't just go and buy because you want to buy, or because you say the market is going down, or the market is going to do whatsoever thing you want to do. Make sure you buy because Bitcoin has given you that signal. That's why you see me focus on Bitcoin at every now and then, and come here, share with you guys, what is going on with Bitcoin, so that you guys can see that Bitcoin is the leader, is the alpha. I showed, I pour out, I think, let me see, I showed you guys something last time. I think that was on Friday. Let's go back to this. Let me show you guys again. This is Bitcoin on coin market cap. You can see that Bitcoin have 500 billion market cap. Ethereum have almost 200 billion market cap. So Ethereum and Bitcoin alone have about 800 billion alone. And if we add BNB and SRP, that is going to give us about 1 trillion. And when we look at the entire market cap, like crypto market cap, that's 1.05 trillion. That means Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and SRP alone have most of the liquidity in the market. So any other coin which is below these coins, they are noise. That's why you can see ApeCoin, Hex can move that, like 4%, 6%, 10%, like that. So being in Bitcoin, the alpha, or maybe to an extent, Ethereum is the best bet for you long term. And when you see a signal in Bitcoin, when you see that Bitcoin is looking bullish, that's when you go and buy those other altcoins, because money is gonna flow from Bitcoin to the to the other altcoins out there. Flow like a fountain of river. So that's like, guys, you don't have to make this difficult. Investment shouldn't be difficult. Like in the beginning or in the past, this was so difficult for me. Like it was difficult because I didn't know all this I am telling you guys right now. I like to be honest, guys. This has been a journey, like a consistent journey for me, learning every day. And each time I learn, I want to come here and share with you guys. And if say you understand that Bitcoin, like, guys, I don't care if say you love maybe Dogecoin, you love Shiba Inu, you love Dogecoin, you love, if say you don't have enough money, like if say your portfolio is just $1,000 or $100 or $500, you have to be in Bitcoin. Those who are playing the game of altcoins, like they keep money in altcoins, are people who are trading daily and making money from trading Bitcoin, and they are buying these altcoins, long term. So they are investing in these altcoins, right? But you don't have enough money. Why do you not keep your money? Like, put your money in an asset that is not gonna move for the next 10 years, no, for the next 6 months or 3 months. Put your money in an asset that can move and give you signal to buy your other assets. So you can use your so-called in love project like Shiba Inu, maybe Dogecoin, right? To accumulate more Bitcoin. So let's say, for example, I say this often on my channel. When you see Shiba Inu go to the upside, you sell Shiba Inu and buy Bitcoin. When Bitcoin drops 2%, Shiba Inu will drop 10% or 5% or like more than Bitcoin. And then you can use your Bitcoin again and buy Shiba Inu. You play with it like that. And before you realize it, guys, 1 month, 6 months, you must have accumulated a lot of Bitcoin. So this is not a game. It's not a game. And I keep saying this to you guys. Crypto is simple to understand. It's simple. Like, most of us will make it so difficult to an extent that we want to consume content that will tell us buy this, buy that, buy this. You need to consume content that will help you protect the money you make in the first place and help you make money. And this is what I share on my channel every now and then. I know in the beginning I talk about most of this meme coin. I told you guys, hold this coin 5 years, 10 years. Guys, no, don't. I'm sorry for that. The right thing to do right now, is sell your altcoin, sell everything. If say you don't have enough money, allow those who have money to play the game. If say your capital is just $1,000 or $2,000 or $500, why are you holding Shiba Inu with just all you have? At least if say you must hold Shiba Inu or Dogecoin or baby Dogecoin, buy it with $10, and the rest you buy it with you buy your Bitcoin. And when you see Bitcoin move 10%, know that Shiba Inu is gonna move about 20%. Sell your Bitcoin, you buy Shiba Inu, and when Shiba Inu move, you sell Shiba Inu and you buy back Bitcoin. When Bitcoin goes down 10% or 5%, Shiba Inu is gonna go down about 30% or 20%. Same with other altcoins with low liquidity. I just show you guys right now that Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB with to an extent XRP, they own the market, like the liquidity, all the liquidity in the market. They own it. They own it. So when you are in other altcoins, you are risking your dollar. Yeah, you are risking your money. Let me put it that way. So that's it, guys, for today. And if say you are still watching and you haven't yet subscribed my platform, then make sure you go subscribe right now. If say you are watching me on YouTube, subscribe, like on Facebook. Make sure you go to YouTube, at Debeton Crypto. Go and subscribe to my YouTube. If you are watching on LinkedIn, go and subscribe on my YouTube channel. I want to have all of you on YouTube, and I think most of you who are there and you're wondering like how you want to get like you want to get started with cryptocurrency. Maybe you already are investing in this market and you're not making money, or you are making money but not like you make money and you lose it at the same time, like you buy coins and you don't know when to sell it. Okay, be part of my community. The links are found below this video. Join my group, and I can also give you one-on-one education on portfolio management, help you to balance a portfolio, help you to understand where to buy. Like where to buy is really important in this industry. Like guys, imagine that there's someone who can tell you buy now, sell now, take out profit now, or don't buy now. Imagine you have someone like that in your life and you have money to invest in, right? Why not connect with that person? Why not connect with that person? So this is what I'm gonna help you. Like I want to help you make sure your portfolio is balanced. And when Bitcoin is pumping, I'm gonna tell you buy this, buy that. Of course, this is not gonna it's not gonna be a financial advice, or I am not financial advisor. What I'm gonna be sharing with you is what I do myself. So make sure you do your own due diligence. I have to say this because you say you buy something and you don't follow what I do and you lose money, you will start saying the beton have done this or have done that. And what I do here is long term as well. If you say you want to learn trading, how to trade as well, the same thing, connect with me and I'm gonna help you one-on-one in this space. I think I've been here. If say you guys have any questions, you have any coin you want me to look at it quickly, do comment the coins. I can see you, Pengila, always Adelo. Welcome, always being here. I can see most of you who are watching. Tell me which coin you have there that you want me to look at right now, and I want to do a quick TA on the coin and maybe tell you buy it now or don't buy it, or maybe wait for Bitcoin to give you that signal before you can buy it. So I'm waiting for your comments, and let me know where you are watching from as well. And also, like, if say you want me to keep doing this, like I mentioned earlier that I'm gonna be doing one live trading with you guys. I haven't yet started it because I've been in up and down recently trying to put some stuff together. So if you guys are interested in the live, I think maybe 2 hours live trading every day, live trading every day, Monday to Fridays, then I think comment below that you want me to do this with you and also be part of our community. The links are found below this video. If say you're not able to connect with me through the link below this video, then you can reach out to me personally on Facebook. The link also is below this video on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. I'm there. You can follow me there as well. Yeah, I think that's pretty everything I have for you guys today. Regarding BitBoy Crypto, I'm sorry for BitBoy Crypto. I don't know what's going on with him. I think it must be difficult right now because, guys, trust me. If say you have built something that big, or you have been part of something that big, like the BitBoy Crypto community, then going out of it is gonna be something really difficult. And again, if say you are in this space and you want to be successful, make sure you follow people who are gonna help you build that mindset, build that portfolio. You can go about listening to crypto news, fundamentals here and there, but if say you don't have that core knowledge, fundamentals to help you know when to buy, when to sell, this is one of the greatest challenge that most people face in this industry. If say you don't actually know when to sell, like you can buy. To buy is easy, but to sell is so difficult. So difficult because like you sit there and you like, guys, I remember I watched my fake. I know those of you understand. I watched fake my fake token, from $30,000. I watched it go down to $500. Yeah, I don't say this often. Like I've never said this on a live program. I watched my fake token from $30,000 go down to almost zero. Yeah. Why? Because I was naive, I was stupid, and like I focused so much on the fundamentals, and I was hoping that um something gonna happen. But if say I focus on fundamentals and the charts, then I would have understood that okay, just listening to these guys talk about this, or like saying the project is good, the chart would have told me something otherwise. Like, okay, the fundamentals are good. Like, for example, right now we can see the Bitcoin fundamentals are good. Like, nice things happening with Bitcoin. We can see like BlackRock, the news out there. You see different players coming on board. Lot of like people who have money buying a lot of Bitcoin out there, like Robin Wood, big exchanges getting on board, government getting on board with cryptocurrency, and the price of Bitcoin is still going down. This is to tell you that the fundamentals are good, but when you have to look at the long term is more of what the people think about the project. And if you look at most of these coins out there, people just look at it short term. That's why the charts should be your friend, right? The chart should tell you when to buy, when to take out profit, and when to just stay away from the market. The chart will tell you that. Like, I'll tell you right now, like if I go to Bitcoin, the chart of Bitcoin, I'll tell you to stay out of the market. Like, don't buy yet. Like, let's go to Bitcoin right now quickly. I'll tell you, don't buy. There's no reason for you to buy right now. No, don't buy. Right? Just just hold on. And when price play out the way I mentioned to you guys, that's when you want to buy. That's when you start seeing price. Guys, of course, I know you ask yourself, like, how will you know these have changed? That's why I said subscribe to my channel. Make sure you are part of my community. I have a private group on WhatsApp, but of course you can be part of my group on Telegram. There I also share stuff. My private group is people I've dedicated my time to every now and then. Before it was free, now it's not free anymore. I'm not gonna open any spot because I want to deal with these guys first, and once I'm done with them, then I can now get in other free membership. I don't want to be saying pay to be part of my community. At least I want everyone to be there. And there are so many stuff I want to look at to make sure you qualify to be part of my community, like my private group, you know. And of course, if say you want one-on-one with me, that's something you have to pay for, right? Because you're taking away my time, like my private time. Yeah. So I can see a comment here from Adelo. Adelo say, we have hope about Coin. Um, Coin. What is Coin? Let me see. Coin. I don't know what you mean by Coin. Can you elaborate more what you mean by Coin? Let me see if I can see something like core. Yeah, I don't think. Let me see on core crypto. Let me see. Okay, core. Let's see. Yeah, core is. Let's look at the daily time frame first for core. I don't know about this coin actually, but let's just do a quick TA for this coin. Okay, you can see here that, guys, this coin has been in a downward movement. There's not much data here about this coin, but you can see. Let me just go to the 12 hours time frame so we can see. Yeah, okay, we can see here that this coin has been in a downward trend. Like you can see. Let me just go to the weekly time frame if I can see something here. Okay, guys, you can see here that this coin has been in a downtrend. You can see here. Yeah, so I don't think you should be buying this coin. Like, if say you don't know anything about the coin, like you shouldn't be buying this coin right now. You buy such coins like during the bear market, like during the bull market, when you see price really going to the upside, you see Bitcoin bullish. That's where you want to buy most of this coin. So if say you love this coin, you love the community, they keep building, then you can put this coin to your wait list, or your watch list. Whenever you see any movement with Bitcoin and other top altcoins out there, then that's when you want to go and accumulate the coin. Short term, you make more money, then you go and buy Bitcoin again. So this could be a coin you can use to mint more Bitcoin. Um, I think that, like, yeah. So I don't think it's a coin right now that you should be holding or buying. Like, this is the weekly time frame, and if say I go like to the just go to the lower time frame, you're gonna see that again it's not like a good coin right now to buy a whole. Yeah, you can see here on this the 1 hour time frame, it is below the 50 day moving average, and also the 200-day moving average. So when you see the, like, if say you are able to plot or pluck the plot, or like, yeah, if you are able to get these moving averages on your chart, trading view. If say you don't have trading view, go below this video. There are links. That there is a link for trading view where you can register, and it's free. You don't have to pay for it right now. You can start with the free version, and you usually have 30 days free to use most of the premium features. So go and get trading view, and you can see here, like, again, the price is below this 200-day moving average, 200-day moving average, and also below the 50-day moving average. So it's not a goal for me. All right, guys, I want to go for now. You guys should have an amazing day. Take care of yourself. See you same time tomorrow. you know, I want to be doing this every day, but not on weekend. Weekends, I want to spend time with my beautiful wife and my child, my kids. So be good and like, have yourself, um have yourself, like, give yourself some nice treats. Don't work of yourself so much. Don't put your mind so much in crypto. You can think of other something else, but make sure whenever you think of crypto, you are thinking to get in when it's time to get in. All right, don't just get in because you want to get in. Right, I think that makes sense. Yeah, it makes sense. All right, guys, that's it for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.